You're a better cook than you think, and you don't need recipes. We're talking about a chilled noodle salad. This is gonna skew kind of Vietnamese, and it hits all the flavor elements that we always talk about that makes dishes great. Let's jump into it. Aromatics, fun one here, lemongrass. Love working with lemongrass. Best way to use it for me, you peel out the outer layers, you go down to the white bit, you grab a microplane grater, and you grate it fresh. It just dissolves this vibrant, fragrant, lemony goodness. We're also gonna use garlic. Umami, I like to use fish sauce. It's very easy. It's got that funk. If you wanna go something crazier, do like a shrimp paste, whatever. Peanuts, toasted, that's the crunch. You're also gonna get crunch from fresh cucumber, fresh carrots. You can use whatever fresh vegetables you have. Cabbage works great in this. Red bell peppers, anything that's got that crisp, crunchy. Salt, I'm just gonna omit salt. A lot of the times when you use umami and you're pulling out that fish sauce, you're not gonna actually need salt. Mint in this makes it. It just cools everything down with that spice and that heat. Speaking of heat, I'm using serrano chilies. You could use Thai bird's eye chilies. You could use whatever you got. And acid, we're going lime. There's 3 different things that are gonna bring together most of these elements, but we're gonna keep reusing them. Number 1, you're gonna make a dressing. You're gonna make a dressing by adding a little bit of lime juice, fish sauce, a touch of garlic. You can add a little bit of water to it, a little bit of chili, and you just balance that out. You can grate in a little bit of lemongrass to that. The next element is I'm gonna sear off some tofu, and I'm gonna marinate that tofu in more of those elements. A little fish sauce, a little acid, you can add a little bit of oil. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of oyster sauce because I have it. You could add soy sauce. Next element is your finished salad. Your finished salad, you're gonna start putting some of these raw elements in. The mint, I'm gonna grate over a little bit more lemongrass. Let's make this. This is a perfect chance to experiment. Just trust yourself, throw things together, taste a little bit. Does it need more acid? Does it need more umami? What does it need? You can figure it out. You'll get better and better at doing this the more you do it. Just try it.